What if I told you that most expensive creams can't even reach the layer where wrinkles actually form? After the age of 50, collagen declines much faster, making the skin thinner, drier, and less firm. Many products promise results, but most only sit on the surface without addressing the real cause. Collagen is the structure that supports your skin. As it decreases, your skin begins to lose firmness and elasticity. At the same time, the skin barrier weakens. Moisture escapes more easily. Cell turnover slows down. Internal damage gradually builds up. This leads to dullness, dryness, and visible aging. Most creams are designed to improve the surface. Their molecules are too large to reach deeper layers where collagen is produced. So while they may temporarily hydrate the skin, they don't rebuild its structure. So what's the real solution? Support from within. To truly improve your skin, you need to support your body internally. Your skin depends on collagen supporting nutrients, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds. When these are present, your skin begins to repair naturally. Here are some natural remedies ranked from basic to powerful. First, rice water and honey. Basic support. Lightly boil the rice and strain the water before use. This helps remove impurities and makes it safer for skin application. Rice water supports damaged skin cells, while honey helps retain moisture. This combination mainly improves surface hydration. Next, walnut oil and rosehip oil, providing surface nourishment. These oils provide essential fatty acids and antioxidants. They help protect the skin barrier and improve softness, though their effect remains mostly on the outer layer. Third, flaxseed gel for hydration and repair. Flaxseed gel helps improve hydration and smooth skin texture when used consistently. To make it, heat 2 tablespoons of flaxseed with 1 cup of water on medium flame. Stir occasionally, and after about 8 to 10 minutes, it will form a light gel. Turn off the heat and strain it immediately while still warm. The texture should be smooth and slightly slippery, not too thick. Apply a thin layer on clean skin. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. This helps soften the skin and improve overall texture. Store the gel in the refrigerator and use within 3 to 4 days for best results. Next, aloe vera plus vitamin E plus olive oil. Stronger repair. Fresh aloe vera supports skin repair. Combined with vitamin E and olive oil, it improves hydration and elasticity more effectively. Next, banana plus yogurt plus turmeric mask. Highly effective. This combination supports skin renewal and structure. Banana helps support collagen strength. Yogurt gently exfoliates. Turmeric reduces inflammation. This improves skin tone, texture, and elasticity. Next, pine nut butter plus raw honey for internal support. This works internally by delivering healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds that support skin from within. Now here's the most powerful skin tonic. A simple daily drink can support your skin from within. Take 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground black sesame seeds. It is optional. You can have soaked almonds or chia seeds. This combination supports hydration, elasticity, and skin repair at a deeper level. How to use this drink? Drink 1 warm cup on an empty stomach for better absorption. Simple. Now what to expect? Within a few days, improved hydration. Within a week, you will notice smoother texture. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will feel firmer skin. Within a month, you will see visible improvement. And that's because consistency is the key. Important tips: use fresh, natural ingredients. Avoid mixing with heavy meals. And remember, stay consistent daily. Final message, your skin is not failing. It is simply missing the right support. Instead of relying only on surface treatments, nourish your body with the right nutrients. When you support your skin from within, real change begins to happen. Stay hydrated, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.